Friday morning, decided I'd go give that longbeard a shot, and if it doesn't work by 5:30, then I'm gonna bail and do a little studying, because today I got final exams, and yeah, see what happens. If he's roosted in the same spot he was yesterday, or the same-ish spot, I'm gonna get real aggressive and work in on him, and if I blow it, I blow it. I'm never gonna hunt this bird again, so see what happens. Longbeard down. What a hunt. I'm hustling off the mountain here. Almost back to the truck. He was gobbling on the limb, a bunch of times on his own. Turns out there was 2 birds, so I don't know if they were arguing back and forth or what, but I let out a few soft yelps. He responded to it, so I got set up. They came in hot and fast. I don't know how good a footage I got of them coming in. I could see him strutted all the way in. Turns out there was a hen leading them to me, so she was coming over to investigate who I was and why I was trying to take her boyfriend. So yeah, quick hunt. That's it. Tagged out, and in this state at least. And now got to get to class and take some tests.